Okay, the dollar yen analysis. Here is the point of real interest is right here at 148.75-ish, 148.70. Okay, if the marketplace basically gets down here and closes below this, now you have to watch the queen, which will be the next bar that's open. I'm looking at a 1 hour chart. If there's follow through, now you also have to add a little bit of like what's the market, how's the market feel right now? Unfortunately, it's always part of the game. So marketplace basically could trade down to 148.30, 35. Okay, if it breaks that, we're going down to let's see, 148. Let me look at my charts here. We're looking at 147.90 is your next level. The resistance point in dollar yen is 149.80. That is a straight up resistance point. So if we could get through 149.80, close above it, then this marketplace is probably going back to 149.70. Sorry, 149.80, 149.77, 150.90. That's the next level of resistance. So I know it's not like much help. The breakout was back down here off the 1 hour chart. That was like, the ice line, so to speak. It needed to basically break through that, and it did it on this bar, and it was just a violent move up. Now, I expect some consolidation in dollar yen, and really, I'd be looking probably to. I'm going to say it. I'll probably, if it breaks down below 148.82, I'll probably sell it. Watch the market price action. And, if we start moving up, I put my stop at, and I'm going to go over a video on stops. I think it's really important because what I'll do is I would take the close to the high of this bar. Actually, sorry, the close to the low of this bar, right? And then I would basically add it to the top of this. And I'm going to go over some stop formats for you guys. So, because I know that's an issue with people. So I think that this video, I know it's very short, but it's on the fly. And I hope that it helps out so that 148, say 75 level is an important level in dollar yen. If it can hold, it's probably going to try to attempt to go back up and attempt at 148 149.80 level. If it gets down, it's probably going to attempt to 148.40. If it breaks that, we're probably going back down to the ice line right here, 147.62. So I'll leave that with you guys, and I'll do another video basically on stops in a little while. I think that would be really cool. So I look forward to talking to you soon. Remember, if you like what you see, subscribe, like the video, ring the bell, get over Forex Confidant, get yourself a free ebook, or Park Avenue Trading, parkavenuetrading.com. Get yourself a free ebook. Stop. What are you waiting for, man? This is real stuff. It's not bullshit. Look forward to talking to you soon. Cheers.